Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Dolby Atmos on your Android 12 device, and you can also boost the sound by using it. So first you have to download this zip file and then you have to flash it through your Magisk app. So that is my Magisk. Now I will go to the module section and I will install from my SD card, and I will select the zip file that I have downloaded. After finishing the installation, reboot your device. My device is now booted up and you can see the Dolby Atmos app is installed. Now let's set it to the music mode and let's go to the YouTube app. So I will choose NCS song because it is copyright free. Now let's go to the Dolby app and see it's working or not. Yes, it is working. Now I will set my volume to 50% and one by one I will enable these options. Now see the magic if I tap on volume leveler. It's definitely making difference. Volume is boosted like crazy. It will work with offline MP3 files. It is working there also. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like my videos and subscribe me for more.